Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to make these curtains. They are sky blue curtains and white shears with a tinge of blue in them. Also, I love this color combination because it is cool and calm. So first we start by cutting the curtains. So I cut into two pieces first, and then afterwards we resize them into two different pieces. So the reason why I'm using pins, it's because when you cut, the curtain fabrics are usually stretchy, so you need to keep them firm so that you don't cut the wrong way, and also just so that you have straight lines, and when you sew you have a perfect outcome. I always use a ruler. I am sure I'm supposed to look for the other sewing ruler, the long one, but I haven't come across it. Maybe if you know where I can buy it in Nairobi town, please comment below. I will appreciate. So it's a short video. Please stick around to the end, and I hope that you will enjoy. If you have a question, drop it down below and I will surely answer. So this is the tape where you will attach the eyelets. So I just begin by folding the edges, and then I attach it to the shear. So I just leave some small space up there so that it doesn't show on the other side when you turn it over. And then once you turn it over, sew from the right side so that the tape does not fold. thank you so much for watching this video, and also thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click on the next video and watch it. You will find plenty of DIY videos on this channel, and I'm sure that some of these projects you can try them out. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you in my next video.